Hey, yeah, common question here is how do I start investing? Me, I had two options. It's either I pay someone to teach me or I learn it on my own. And I took the route of learning it on my own, which also cost money because of the mistakes that I did, which I could have avoided if somebody was teaching me. It also cost me money when I followed the hype trains and listening to stock tips from the news or my friends or my family because I just didn't know any better. Before making any decision, you should consider asking the following question. The first question that I recommend asking is, am I willing to risk my money to learn the hard way, or would it be better to use that money to pay for someone to help me get started investing on my own with confidence? The second question is, am I willing to pay the price to learn a process from someone, or am I better off figuring out a process on my own? If you choose the route of learning on your own, I would recommend reading the following books: Richer, Wiser, Happier by William Green, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch, and Rule Number One by Phil Town. Those books will actually help you get started and help you avoid some of the mistakes that most new investors make. However, if you want guidance to learn how to invest on your own with confidence, head over to my website, optionwits.com. Hope to talk to you soon.